This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Beautiful single-family home located in the highly desired Sherwood Lakes neighborhood with spectacular lake views. This home features a first-floor primary ensuite with lake views, open floor plan, a multitude of upgrades, and is located on a generous lot with wooded privacy creating a peaceful oasis. The generous living spaces are warm and inviting, boasting open sightlines and tall ceilings. The kitchen features lovely granite countertops, a double oven, and upgraded fixtures. You will bask in the natural light and lake views from every room. The second floor uniquely yields large bedrooms, bathrooms, and an amazing entertainment room or fifth bedroom, and a walk-in attic with space to add additional square footage. The versatility and warmth this home provides make this the perfect peaceful abode for any buyer. It is charming and unique and must be seen in person to truly capture all of the warmth and beauty this home radiates. For more information,